Okay, so you have students that are trying to figure out the angle measure to this right here. So what I would have my students do is draw the supplement of the angle. And by doing this, they're going to extend the lines. So this was the angle. This right here is the same angle as over here. I'd have them extend the lines, as you can see, and this should be equal to this side. So these two sides are vertical angles, as are these two sides. Since they're vertical angles, we know that this line and this line equal 180. So if we're trying to find the angle measure to this and this, we are given this angle, and let's say it's 100. So we know that this line equals 180. So if this is 100, this will equal 80. If this is 100, this will equal 80. Because these are vertical angles, they're going to be the same angle numbers as are these. It's good that they can extend the lines because we know that a line is 180 and the students should know the line is 180. So that will help them figure out this angle measure way more easily.